Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to make a voice call on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to make a voice call on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to make a voice call on WhatsApp. So today I am going to show you how to make a voice call on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Making a voice call on WhatsApp is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing different chats. Select a chat you want to make a voice call. Now you are seeing phone icon in top right section. Click on it. This is how you can make a voice call on WhatsApp. There you go. If you wanted to know how to make a voice call on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.